You might come across this in your forthcoming exam. Here's exactly how to crack it. This is a sample from Soundwave. Two strings of the same length and under the same tension gives note of frequencies in the ratio 4:1. So this would be data. The ratios of the frequency is frequency 1 is 4, and also frequency 2 is 1. Now here's what to make use of. F1 over F2 equals the square root of M2 over M1. Now I'll read the question completely now. The masses of the strings are in the corresponding ratio of what? And so what we are asked to solve here is to solve for the ratios of the masses of the strings. So what will happen is that we plug in our data on the side of the frequency, and that will be F1 is 4, right? F2 is 1 equals the square root of, I'd rather go with the big square root, the square root of M2 over M1, the square root of M2 over M1. And next we'll square both sides. This simply means that this big square root on the M2 over M1 would go to the other side, and if you cross the equal to sign, it changes to raised to power of 2. So we'll write it like this, raised to power of 2, and what we'll be having on this other side is just M2 over M1. M2 over M1. And next, if we open the bracket, 4 times 4 is same thing as 4 raised to power of 2, and also 1 times 1, these are still in brackets, equals M2 over M1. And so 4 times 4 would give us 16, 1 times 1 would give us 1, and so M2 over M1. And if we want to arrange this now, so the ratio of the second mass to the first mass is 16:1, or better still, this will be rearranged as, we'll bring our M1 to the top over our M2 still be at the bottom, and this would be 1 over 16, and our final answer will be 1:16. 1:16 as the ratio of the first mass to the second mass. Would you like to solve similar questions as this? Click on the link in the description box. You win. Just believe.